Hi, this is a quick 3-minute video on this.
Hi, in this particular question we're told that the differentiated form and expression is root x and we need to find the expression for y. So effectively we're going to work backwards. We're going to go from the differentiated form, we're going to integrate it. However, in order for us to do that, I'm just going to make my life a little bit easier by writing dy by dx equals x to the power of a half, because when I integrate it's much easier for me to add 1 to the index and divide by the new index. So what I get is y to the x to the power of 3 over 2, which is added 1 to a half and then divided by 3 over 2. Now that's not particularly easy to work with, but you've got to imagine that it's x divided by 3 over 2, which is exactly the same as saying x multiplied by 2 over 3. So I could put myself in a position much easier by writing y equals 2x divided by 3, and don't forget that it's x to the power of 3 over 2, and that is the answer to this particular question.
Okay, so I hope the video was useful. Please do add a comment below if you're not sure about anything. I'll always come back to you. Subscribe to the channel. I'll look forward to seeing you inside the next video.